Okay, so I'll connect it to a database. So there are two, basically SQL, NoSQL. So we'll do NoSQL, that is Mongoose. So for that we have to first come here and do Control C and install npm install save Mongoose. Okay, so it is installing, and so we have const mongoose equal to require mongoose, and we are doing mongoose.connect and a URL. Now this URL, I'll tell you in just a second, and these are just the values that you have to provide. Even if you don't provide, it will give you a warning something. Okay, and then there is once this is connected, we will do console log that MongoDB is connected, and if there is any error, so we will console log that error. Now you can get this URL from 2-3 places. I'll tell you just now. So there is a MongoDB compass. So you can either install this and you can get it from here, or there is a MongoDB Atlas. So you can just, so this is local compass. So this will run on your computer only, but this is the cloud. Okay. So I'll advise you to go with MongoDB Atlas, and you can create a new project there and you will get your own URL, and this is the username and password that you will have to create. Okay. So you can also use this one, but don't put any large databases on this. So we have connected a database. So okay, so we'll run again node index, and here it is saying MongoDB connected and server running at port 5000. Okay, so this is what we wanted. Now instead of saying hey server, we can get data from the database and get the database, or we can save the database to our database. Okay,
See you in the next video.